Okay, this is Beiji Ubud, and this Beiji Ubud is really nice, very great. The food here is good as well. The view, we are eating by the food. So make sure you book at Ubud. Beiji Ubud.
Beiji Ubud, yeah.
To feel Bali, really Bali in Ubud. Go here, Beiji Ubud. And then you'll see all those places. It's very foresty and very naturey. So, so that's Beiji Ubud reception. Very good stuff. Shout out to Ken, the ones there. Today is December 2, 2025. Happy birthday to our friend.
Happy birthday to you.
Ay, pala.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. To you.
From the beauty. From Renes,
Thank you.
Our new best friend, the one over there, the one that will replace her.